Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day, everybody is safe. We are in the final week before Santa Claus gets here, guys. So hopefully you got your last minute shopping. You still got time to shop on Amazon, and they can always ship it to you or your family member or whoever you are gifting this year. So definitely check them out. I'll leave my affiliate link down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Let's see what this is. Don't know. It's very light. It's orange. Oh, I remember these guys when I was a kid. Way back when. Dun 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 dun. NERF. Nerfoop. A hoop. Instead of a hoop. Nerfoop. Alright. Playing basketball. Alright. I remember the Nerf footballs, the one that whistled, and the originals. Man, good times back then. I mean, they got a lot of cool stuff now, but I'm a little too old to play it. So, it happens, you know. All good. This shouldn't be that bad to put together. Do it quick. I can get this one out of the groove. That's like a little soft. Careful, my dog might want to chew it. We got the rim. We got the clip. I think that's it. And oh man, good old Nerf. Nerf to the rescue. But it's been a long time since I had one of these basketball hoops. A couple decades at least. So we shall see if I could do it. Clip there. We got a netting right here. Oh baby. Where is the backboard? Is that the Nerf? Is the backboard? Yeah, I think so. Okay, that makes sense. Not sure why they put the tag right here. I'm not sure why they did that. But you know, it is what it is. I think it's for under 10 bucks. So if you're looking at something small for your kid, this would be perfect. Hours of fun, especially in the wintertime. Can't really go out. Snow. Want to play safe. It's a good way to start. You know, like I said, it's been a while. It's been a while since I hooked this up. Okay, 215 Hasbro. Oh. Alright. Kind of like that. Oops. And then chaka. Okay, so this will go on top of the board, probably for the door, where you hook it up. And then now we do a quick part right here. Make sure. I got it. I get it around the roof. Yeah. Oh shoot. Alright guys, I had it backwards. So now it's all fixed. ready to rock and roll, do some dunking. See that little clip? That holds it together. This side goes here, bottom goes here, and the net is hooked up. Yeah, you gotta do the bigger loops. Give it a good 2 times around. You'll be good to go. Now for the hookup. Should be alright. I think it should be good right here. Hopefully it holds in place. That's the only thing. I'm surprised there's not like a lock. But I guess we'll do what we gotta do with it. This goes on the door. 3 down, up, down, back, forth, side to side. We'll get it right. Hopefully. Clip there, goes there. We're all right. This comes out of here. There we go. See right here? Goes in the back. Pops right through there. I just knocked over the rim. I busted a rim. Oh no. Nah, it's fine. Just wish it could hold it in place better, but it'll probably be once you hook it up to the door. Should be good. I don't think I have it on backwards. There we go. I got it locked in. There we go. Gotta push it all the way up. I like the color though, so definitely cool. And then lift. And I'm gonna try the door. Go for a 3. Alrighty, there it is. Oh man, call me Shaq. Bam. So pretty cool, guys. Like I said. Oh, maybe this one. Bam. Check them out, Nerf. Be safe.